Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we are going to be taking a look at how to replace the air filter in a Mercedes-Benz GLA. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are here at the top of the engine. I'm going to go ahead and remove this engine cover before we get started so you can see what I'm doing a little bit more, because we're going to be removing the top of the airbox here and kind of actuating it up. You could probably get away with not doing that, removing the engine cover, but I'm going to do it anyway so you can see what I'm doing. And to remove this, you just pull straight up in the corners and it comes right off. Alright, so this is what the top of the airbox looks like. It is held in place with 4 T15 Torx. So we need to remove them. Actually, on closer analysis, it looks like you just loosen them. It looks like you just loosen them and they kind of stay in the airbox top housing. So like I said, we can move this out of the way and grab our air filter. Ooh. Now we can grab our new one. Before we grab our filter here, our new one, you need to clean the inside of the airbox because it is gross. With our airbox nice and shiny, we can go ahead and grab our replacement unit. I'm using a Denso 1433698. There will be a link below down in the description. And we can remove it and make sure it's identical to the one we just removed, and it totally is, so it's ready to go back in. And it only goes in the one way, the correct way. So when you're putting it back in, make sure this beveled edge is down and that this strip of, I believe it's some sort of adhesive to kind of keep everything together, is on the top side like this, and then we can replace the top of our airbox here, and those T15 Torxes can thread back into place. If you're having trouble getting those Torxes back in place, go ahead and push down on the top of the airbox a little bit to kind of jiggle it into the right spot. And then of course tighten in a cross pattern. And I really don't have a torque spec for you. Just tight is probably good. If you absolutely need a torque spec, no more than probably 15 or 18 foot-pounds, because they're not on very tight, and they're little teeny tiny Torx. So, you know, no Hulk tighting here. So that's how to replace the air filter in a Mercedes-Benz GLA. This is something anybody could do with that size Torx in their garage. It was insanely easy, and by doing the repair yourself, you're going to be saving a lot of money, especially on a Mercedes-Benz. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.